Well, hello. I was expecting you. Come on in.
Hey, it's me.
Guys, the Shady Thrifter here. I wanted to stop this video really quick to give you guys a little bit of information about me before we, move forward with this video. I am a mother of 3 beautiful daughters and 1 grandson. I'm divorced. Before moving into this apartment, I actually lived in a 4 bedroom, 4 bathroom home, 3 level townhome. My middle daughter just decided to move out last year, in which I became an empty nester. So we can go ahead and continue. Bye. Welcome to my home. Upon entering my home, or my apartment, or whatever you want to call it, this area is the foyer. Here you will find Solo's little coat rack where we put his walking tools and my little I pay the cost to be the boss LED sign. And then I found this beautiful photo that looks just like Solo from Home Goods. And yeah, this is my kitchen area where there's my refrigerator, and I thought these beautiful little magnets were so awesome to put on my refrigerator. I got them from Walmart. And here is my bar cart. To my laundry room. Here is my laundry room slash Solo's closet slash whatnot closet. As you can see here, a thrifter, we're going to use every opportunity to put clothing. As you see, Solo has quite a few cute pieces. And again, here is where my overflow of thrifted items go. This is a cute purse that I got from Savers. Now, back to my wonderful World Market bar cart. Here is where I toss all of my problems. And in this video, I'll pick up and note certain things that I thrifted. I thought I thrifted this, but when I turned it around, it was from Home Goods. But you guys remember I did a thrifted haul and I showed you these beautiful drinking whiskey glasses that I thrifted. I love them so much. I also thrifted this decanter, which I love. And yeah, love my bar cart. And we're entering the kitchen. And one thing I do love about this apartment, it is an open floor plan. And so you kind of run into everything as you're walking in. Here is where I have a stash of thrift gifting gifts. And so I recently gifted this beautiful elephant. And of course, you guys saw the bows for my friend Lenore. And I also thrifted this beautiful elephant for my mom and this glass bowl for one of my clients. Now we're entering, and you'll see throughout my apartment, I have a lot of fashion books, coffee table books. However, I put these books on the, what they call this thing in the middle. Oh my God, the island. The island is a huge focal point in my apartment. And this is a ginormous picture of me because I used to dream that when I got my own place and I lived alone, that I would have pictures of me all around. And that's what I did here. This is my living area where I spend a lot of time, but not all of my time. Most of my time I'm in my bedroom. This is my handsome grandbaby, and this piano was a gift that I purchased him for his first birthday. These shoes I actually thrifted yesterday for my middle daughter, and they were $10 at Goodwill. They were made by Talbots, and they were never worn. And so here are pictures of my daughters, and these are old pictures. They're all very much grown now and out the house and on their own. And that is a picture of my 3 babies who I love so much. And there's my balcony. And here is you guys' best friend Solo, all of our puppy. Solo loves to be in the videos, so yeah, let's just get him in the video and get it out the way. He will follow me everywhere I go. On my coffee table, I have my collection of geo stones, which I love so much. I've collected so many over the years, and they bring me so much peace. And I just love all the different stones I have. And in the middle, I have this wonderful candle holder that I did thrift. Here is my TV stand that I actually purchased on the Facebook Marketplace. And then, of course, an overflow of my coats is in the corner, and a thrifted mid-century lamp that I love so much. I'm sorry, I didn't realize I was moving so quickly in this video, but you guys kind of can see everything. These are my bar stools, and like I said, my Allen is the focal point. And then here I have more pictures of my entire family. I have my mom, my 3 daughters, my brother, and of course my grandson and me. And that makes up for my entire family. And now we are moving to the restroom, and not a whole lot. I mean, it's just a bathroom, but it's a double sink restroom with granite countertops. I love this bathroom. I chose this bathroom because of the double sinks. So I did give up my tub that I had at the house for a shower, but it's okay. Again, here's another ginormous picture of me in the bathroom, and of course all of my makeup and everything. I did thrift this beautiful little catch-all little tray that I put my jewelry and bow rats in. And now moving to my bedroom. And here you will see, and I will tell you, before I moved here, I had a glam room. So the reason I have all these, oh, there's another picture of me. The reason I have so many cabinets and such is because they all came from my glam room at the house, and I had to downsize. So I had to find somewhere to put all my stuff. And of course, I was not getting rid of my cabinets and closets, shelving and everything, so I just incorporated it into my bedroom, and so it works for me. Some people may say it's too much, but yeah, I love it. It's fine. And these are my shoes that I purchased. They are a replica version of the Dolce & Gabbana 1996 floral platform shoes that was featured in the fashion show. I actually purchased them for my launch party for my jewelry launch. And so yeah, here is, and I mentioned in one of my other videos that I had quite a bit of jewelry. So here to show you, I have this cabinet where I keep all of my luxury jewelry, and as you can see, I have quite a bit. And I actually have 2 of these cabinets. And here in this cabinet, I keep all of my luxury designer, like clothing that I fold up. And then here is another cabinet with just purses. I do love designer purses. I do thrift 90% of my clothing, so that affords me money to purchase designer handbags and shoes. So yeah, that is that. Here is more cabinets, and of course I'm watching me on YouTube, and you should do the same. These are my Jimmy Choo Timberland boots. As you know, these are my Stuart Weitzman thrifted boots, and those are the Carrie Bradshaw Manolo pumps, and these are my Gucci pumps, Fendi shoes, and so forth. These were my Zara finds, and then again here is another collection of my designer purses, and I probably will one day do a handbag haul, which I honestly don't like doing handbag hauls because I think that it is like a braggish type thing, but I mean, you may beg to differ, but yeah, you can see 2 of my thrifted bags that I also incorporated into my cabinet because I don't discriminate. When I love my pieces, I love them. I don't care whether they're thrifted or purchased. And here is my Birkin bag collection, along with more thrifted jewelry and more clothing. Over here is my work from home station, and also my jewelry that I sell for my jewelry company, Pierce by Pearson, and that is just the box that the jewelry comes in when I ship it. And this again is my work from home station. Not much to it. The basics, I like it because it's acrylic. I like clear because I didn't want to take away from the opaque windows, and that was one of the reasons why I did choose this apartment. And guess what? Another LED light that said Tamika's Empty Nest, and that is what it is. This is my happy place. And yeah, so here you can see my bed, my ginormous picture, and over here on my side table is a catch-all where I do put jewelry in this little clear container. And yeah, again, my bed, and I just love the natural light that comes in here. And yeah, so it's not a whole lot to it. I mean, this is just my happy place. That's Solo's room at the bottom where he sleeps when he is getting on my nerves and I need a break from him. And again, there's Solo, and these are his toy boxes where he goes constantly to grab toys and whatnot. So now to the crazy house. This is my walk-in closet. Don't have a lot of space for you to walk in because of the amount of crap that I thrift. I cannot help it, you guys. I am a serial thrifter. And so this is what you have to put up with when you thrift. Look at this. It is crazy how much crap I have in this closet. Woo, Lord. I mean, it's crazy. But what I do is when I do thrift, I do take a donation every single time. I do get rid of some things, and this is a lot. Here are all of my sandals, my like Chanel sandals, Gucci. I keep those all in this behind the door mesh shoe holder. But yeah, I have a lot. And let me tell you guys, when I moved in this apartment, y'all, the hardest part of moving for me is my clothing. Literally, the hardest part is packing up my clothing. It takes like 5 trips just to get all of my clothing. It is crazy. Yeah, so that is my crib, y'all. I hope you enjoyed yourself, and until next time, bye.